In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 HDMI cables that are expertly crafted to enhance your PS5 gaming experience like never before. These cables deliver more than just connectivity. They offer a gateway to breathtaking visuals, ultra-smooth gameplay, and immersive audio that takes your gaming sessions to the next level. Whether you're a fan of high-speed action or cinematic storytelling, these cables ensure you get the most out of your PS5 with features like 4K resolution, 120Hz refresh rates, HDR support, and lightning-fast data transfer. With premium build quality and long-lasting durability, these HDMI cables are perfect for gamers seeking both performance and reliability. From ensuring zero lag and crystal-clear graphics to supporting next-gen technology, every option on this list is designed to deliver a seamless and frustration-free gaming experience. So, if you're ready to upgrade your setup and unleash the true power of your PS5, stick around as we break down the features, benefits, and standout qualities of these must-have accessories. Number 1. UGREEN HDMI Cable. This HDMI cable is reliable and long-lasting. The UGREEN 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is designed to deliver a top-tier audio-visual experience. With a high bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second, it supports stunning resolutions like 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and even 4K at 240 Hz for incredibly smooth and detailed visuals. This cable also features HDR10, EARC, and Dolby Atmos, ensuring vibrant colors, sharp contrast, and immersive audio that brings your movies, games, and shows to life. It's compatible with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, making it perfect for streaming the latest content on devices like the Ps5, Roku TV, Blu-ray players, Nintendo Switch, and more. Built with a durable aluminum housing, this HDMI cable is reliable and long-lasting, making it an excellent choice for gaming, home theaters, or professional setups. Number 2. Cratree HDMI Cable, ensuring you enjoy exceptional quality. The Cratree HDMI cable, 15 feet, is a versatile and high-performance solution for all your audiovisual needs. With support for 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, this ultra-high-speed HDMI cable delivers crystal-clear visuals and smooth frame rates, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and home theaters. The 48 gigabits per second bandwidth ensures seamless data transmission, while features like EARC and compatibility with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 allow for rich, immersive audio and access to protected content. Its braided design enhances durability, providing resistance against wear and tear over time. Perfect for long-distance setups, the cable is compatible with a range of devices, including HD TVs, PS5, Xbox, and more, ensuring you enjoy exceptional quality and reliability every time. Number 3. LEADSTAR HDMI Cable, a reliable choice for connecting your favorite devices. The LEADSTAR HDMI cable, 15 feet, is designed to deliver an exceptional audiovisual experience with support for 4K at 60 Hz, Ultra HD 2160p, and 1080p resolutions. This high-speed HDMI 2.0 cable ensures smooth and vibrant visuals, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. It also features ARC for enhanced audio quality, 3D support for immersive entertainment, and compatibility with HDCP 2.2, making it perfect for use with modern devices. The durable braided design adds strength and flexibility for long-lasting use, and its extended 15-foot length provides ample reach for various setups. Number 4. Highwings HDMI Cable. This cable guarantees both performance and durability. The Highwings 10K8K HDMI 2.1 cable 6.6 feet is engineered for the ultimate high-definition experience. With a blazing fast 48 gigabits per second transfer rate, it supports 4K at 120 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz, delivering ultra-sharp visuals and smooth motion for gaming, streaming, and more. This certified HDMI cable is compatible with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, ensuring seamless playback of protected content. Enjoy vibrant colors and details with dynamic HDR, and immersive sound with DTS-X support. EARC ensures high-quality audio for a complete entertainment experience. Ideal for Roku TV, HD TV, Ps5, Blu-ray players, and other HDMI devices, this cable guarantees both performance and durability, making it a perfect addition to your home setup. Number 5. Huaham HDMI Cable. Top-tier performance and reliability for gaming. The huaham 8K fiber optic HDMI cable, 66 feet, is a premium choice for high-performance connectivity, offering 48 gigabits per second ultra-high-speed transfer. It supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, delivering crystal-clear visuals with incredible detail and smooth motion. This HDMI 2.1 cable is perfect for high-end gaming and media experiences, including compatibility with EARC, ensuring high-quality audio. The HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 support guarantees seamless streaming of protected content, while Dolby support elevates your sound quality. Ideal for PS5, Xbox Series X, Roku, Fire TV, and Sony LG CX TVs, this cable is a must-have for those seeking top-tier performance and reliability for gaming or home theater setups.